Wait, William. Don't let it go. Okay. £500 of blubber.
Ready?
No, not ready.
I'm holding it.
William, turn around and go backwards.
Why?
So I can shoot you. Shoot you. No? You big baby.
No, I can
Wait. Hold on.
go.
No, you can't go. Here, hold it, will you?
Alright.
Just hold it. Just hold it for a second.
Oh yeah.
William, let go.
Why?
Because I'm gonna fall out.
Okay.
Hold on. Yeah. Scoot it back. Right here. Now that I know what I'm doing. Like, move your arms. Oh, yeah. Hold on, William.
Wait, put the wrap over your arm.
I'll push you guys.
Yeah.
You got it over your arm.
Okay, go.
Hold on.
Wait. Man of blubber.
Wait.
What?
Wait, pull.
Look. Okay, turn around. Oh! Oh! God. Oh, Willie.
Did you get all of it?
Oh, my God.
Did you get all of it? Did you?
Yeah, I got all of it.
Oh.
How was that?
All right.
Yeah, all right.